What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Dakota Life. Today I got a really good video in store for you guys. We just got dumped on 13 inches of snow out at the farm. 13 inches on top of the already about 2-3 feet that we already had out there. So you better believe I'm leaving South Dakota State right now, going up to Watertown, gonna go up to my farm. We're gonna shred some snow today, just some absolute powder. My grandpa's already been up there. He said it's just beautiful, white gold everywhere. Here, I'll give you guys a little lowdown here. Look at that. Look at how much snow. They already got the cleanup crews out there. It's just beautiful. So anyway, we're gonna head up to the farm. Hopefully I don't get stuck. Sold my truck, but anyway, we're gonna head up to the farm and I'll meet you guys back up there. See ya. All right, so we made it out here to the farm. I tried to get some footage of starting the snowmobile, but it kind of got corrupted. I guess it didn't film. But anyway, look at this. It's just a winter wonderland out here. As you can see, not as much snow as I thought it was, but I mean, look at that. It's just crazy out here. So anyway, get you guys on top of my helmet and we'll go for a rip and get some solid footage for you guys. Let's go. So yeah, that there is gonna basically conclude my first snowmobiling vlog, ride with me type deal. There's a snowmobile right there. She did great throughout the whole thing. So this is my first video to the channel as well. So if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, drop a like, share the video. I'd really appreciate it a lot. But if you want to see more of those, please, more snowmobiling videos, please comment. I'm thinking about getting a mic so that I can hook it up to the GoPro and so I can talk with you guys too. So let me know if that's something that you guys might want to see. But yeah, I think that concludes it for the day. So thank you for watching. If you stuck around this far, promise my content and quality will get a lot better. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys.